everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Anna, this is my van Vanna, and I invite you to join me on my journey to convert Vanna into a camper van. Come see what I'm working on today. Hi everybody, so back at it. So last video I left off having found a leak under my shower base. So I'm in here working on removing the first row of tiles, and so that I can lift the base to fix that leak. Probably coming out of my drain hose. So 2 step forward, well, 1 step forward, 2 step back, seems like. So let me get to work. Okay, so I got the towel out, and I think I got enough of the foam board out, and this can now be lifted. So let me go find something to prop it up. Okay, so this is what it looks like under here. It looks like my shoe. It looks like, for whatever reason, this, I don't know, doesn't look reliable now. So I'm gonna import a new hose, and I'm just gonna replace the whole hose with something that's hopefully more reliable. That's the plan. Okay, so the new hose came in, and look at these ends are a part of this. So I'm hoping it's more reliable. Let's see. It's still plastic, but I'm hoping it's more reliable. Let's see. So I did a test. There's water pooling up there. I don't see any water under here. I'm able to go down into the tank that's over here. So I did a quick test. I'm gonna do another test tomorrow with the pump running. Let's see how that goes. I need to raise it up. I do want to raise it up a little bit more, so that in the future I could access it under there. Right now it was just, I barely can put my arm under there as it is right now. So if I can raise it up just a little bit, I'm hoping that it can be serviced one day without having to do all of this again. So I want to maximize the height of this shower. It'll be good for me for sure, but I think it's more important to be able to fix leaks like this in the future without having to tear the thing apart. So that's the plan. Raise it up a little bit. How much is the question? 1/2 inch, 1 inch? I don't know, but I would test it out and try to do it high enough to stick my hand under here and untwist this. So that'll be the test. If I can unscrew this, then I think that's good. So okay, so I decided I would raise it up this much, a whole inch. So I took this off. I'm adding this to raise it up an inch. Kind of tested it out before I did it, and I can reach up under here and unscrew that from coming in at that angle. So I'm gonna give up another inch to make this happen. All right, so let me screw this stuff down. I have a block for all of them. So let's make that happen. Okay, went and bought this. Well, actually I had it for a minute and intended to use this under here so I can be alerted to moisture. And this is how it works. It's a sensor. Yeah, so when this thing goes off, I'm gonna know I have a leak. I have 3 of them. One will go under this shower base. One will go under this platform where all the other plumbing are. And the third one will go over here where the sink and the or where my heating system is. I got 3. I figure out 3 good places for them. Okay, so it doesn't always go perfect. So here is a gap that I'm patching up with some of this tape that I used in my house when I did my shower. And the way I did it then was I just put this on and I will cover it with thin set. But I'm not using thin set here, I'm using this sealant. So put this on in the corner to seal it up. And see if that works. Put a second coat on here. Okay, so I just tested it out. No leak. I put the water sensor underneath the shower base and another water sensor. We got a water sensor right here. Oops. Got a water sensor right here. And there's another one underneath right here. The water sensor. So if it should leak, I will hear an alarm, and I have my tempered glass came in. I don't know if that will slide out during transit, but maybe I block that in so it won't slide out. I'm gonna need some railings up here so the stuff I put up here won't fall out either. So I'm not sure how I'm gonna do that. Maybe some tar material or something. So anyway, that repair work is done, and I redid the plumbing in the back. I ended up flipping this around, and so no leaks there either. So moving on to the next thing.